Ito sana yung gagawin ko, guys. Kaso kulang ako ng gamit. So, mag-i-sleep na lang ako. Bye-bye, guys. Ang layo. La! Ang layo naman sa gawa mo na. Wala. Wala lang, string. Kaya ko din yun. Meron kaya akong Kinner 8. Tignan nyo. Sino gusto? Sa inyo na lang. Sino gusto to? Sa inyo na lang yan. Ganda yan. Itchy worm. Gunto to, oh. Sa inyo na lang to, Leslie. Ayaw nyo? Okay. Mine. Huwag nyo nang tanungin kung ano yun. Tanong-tanong po kayo. Sige, pagagandahin ko to. Masyado nyo nusgahan ng gawa ko, ha. Okay, kopyahin natin tong moon. Juan, matutulog na ako, ha. Padala mo na lang sa akin. Oo, padala ko sa'yo. Guys, habang nagpipaint ako, magkukwento ako sa inyo, okay? So, dati guys, tamad talaga ako. Like, literal akong tamad. Pero may pangarap ako sa buhay. Tamad ako, pero ang dami kong gusto mangyari sa buhay ko. Kahit tamad ako. Diba? Siyempre, normal lang naman yung tamad ka, pero may pangarap. Diba guys, kayo din naman, tamad kayo minsan, pero may pangarap kayo sa buhay. Tapos guys, ito na. Wait lang, ah. Titignan ko lang, eh. Baka magkamali ako, eh. Hindi rin ako nagsasalita eh. Mag-mute muna ako. Nag-mute ako kasi ang ingay ni Night. Eto na guys, pakita ko na sa inyo. Hindi, feel ko kasi matutuwa kayo kaya akong umingiti. Tignan nyo guys, ang ating... Wait lang. Ito po ang inspiration. And ito po yung gawa ko. Nakuha, di ba? Yung ibon. Layo mo. Kulang lang kasi ako ng gamit RZ. Huwag kang ano. Kung kompleto gamit ko si, kaya ko yan. Kulang ako ng gamit talaga. Malapit na nga siya eh. O, di ba alam, medyo malapit na. Malapit na yan. Bye na nga! Antok na ako. Bye na guys, bukas na lang. Magre-ready ako ng ipe-paint ko bukas. Bukas na lang, di nyo naman din gusto yung painting ko eh. Bukas na lang. Tsaka inaantok na yung mga aso, anong oras na. Ano ba need mo, martilyo? Wala. Madaming ibon. Hindi yan ibon. Paniki yung paniki. Gabi nga, di ba? Oh my God. Paniki yan. Di yan ibon. Paniki. Isang taon tong iningatan ni Badayos, tas dinumihan ko lang. Guys, I need to sleep. Guys, ang ganda talaga ng ano ko. Paniki yan, di kayo marunong mag ano. Di nyo ba alam itsura ng paniki? Parang bago naman kayo ah. Parang di nyo naman alam ah. Itsura ng paniki. Magkaiba ang paniki tsaka ebon. Ibong dilaw, basang-basa sa ulan. Hoy! Sino naman umihip? Ano talaga? O, Cooper, no? Puro kakantot. Ladies, useless. Or is it slow? Ladies, night. Pangit. Night, Cooper. Walang masisilungan, walang malalapitan. Ang kasagutan ko ay end live na. Ang oras po ay 12:42 na po. Tayo po ay mamahinga na. And na agad na. Late ka na, Chi. Wala kayong makikita. Wala kayong makikitang message dyan kasi owner. Kasi po ay naka-DND na naman si Mayora niya. Do not disturb. Si D&D. Kasi ako muna ng guys, tignan nyo, andito pa yung mga binili ko. Hindi, wala kasi akong lalagyanan. Bumili ako ng maraming ganyan. So, wala akong lalagyanan. So, I'm very stressful.
Para sa nag-overtime?
Guys, wala akong ano.
Chat with a friend about an established scientific theory, and she might reply, well, that's just a theory. But a conversation about an established scientific law rarely ends with, well, that's just a law. Why is that? What is the difference between a theory and a law? And is one better? Scientific laws and theories have different jobs to do. A scientific law predicts the results of certain initial conditions. It might predict your unborn child's possible hair colors, or how far a baseball travels when launched at a certain angle. In contrast, a theory tries to provide the most logical explanation about why things happen as they do. A theory might invoke dominant and recessive genes to explain how brown-haired parents ended up with a red-headed child, or use gravity to shed light on a parabolic trajectory of a baseball. In simplest terms, a law predicts what happens, while a theory proposes why. A theory will never grow up into a law.
Dilulo si Leslie mga call na daw.
Triggers progress on the other. In the 17th
Gusto mo na call ko, Leslie? Tatlo tayo. Tatlo tayong mag-call. Sama kita.
He was studying decades of precise astronomical data in an effort to find support for his theory. While his theory laws are still in use today, gravity replaced his theory of harmonics to explain the planet's motions. How did Kepler get Kepler wrong? Well, we weren't handed a universal instruction manual. Instead, we continually propose, challenge, revise, or even replace our scientific ideas as a work in progress. Laws usually resist change, since they wouldn't have been adopted if they didn't fit the data. Though we occasionally revise laws in the face of new expected information. A theory's acceptance, however, is often real. Multiple theories may compete to supply the best of a new scientific system. Upon further research, scientists tend to favor the theory that can explain most of the data, though there may still be gaps in understanding. Scientists also work on a new theory successfully.
Wala pa akong lalagyan ng sing-sing, guys. Saan bumibili lang gusto ko yung sing-sing na ginagano, no?
About the periodic table predicted several undiscovered elements. The term scientific theory covers a broad swath. Some theories are new ideas with little experimental evidence that scientists eye with suspicion or even ridicule.
Mawen daw live, sabi ni Marjorie and Leslie sa subs.
Evolution and climate change have endured years of experimental confirmation before earning acceptance.
Leslie, ang dami hinihingi.
You would know more about scientific experts. Scientists the word doesn't tell you. In full disclosure, the community has bet on the wrong before. The geocentric model, spontaneous generation, and interstellar people are just a few of many theories decided in favor.
Anong oras ka mag-e-end? Di ako makapag-chismis eh. Ito na mag-e-end na.
Was the birthplace of modern chemistry. Medicine made great strides.
May hinihintay lang ako, guys, kaya hindi ako nag-e-end.
Theories often lead to exciting new discoveries that were questionable on the old. Nor should we assume current scientific is stand the test. A single unexpected is enough challenge
Dami, oh.
However, scientific
Bibili na lalagyanan ng ano.
doesn't weaken a herd scientific
Lalagyanan
Instead,
ng...
it shields science from the unchallenged dogma. A good scientific law is tuned to
Lalagyanan ano, ng sing-sing.
but ignorant of
Ito mga ito, hindi na natapos kakakantot eh.
a good scientific theory.
Ano ba kayo? Ang ano naman ng sex life nyo?
This is defeat if unable to overpower or adapt to
Buti
the
pa kayong
next.
dalawa.
Though different, science needs both laws and theories to understand the whole picture. So next time someone comments that it's just a theory, challenge them to go 9 rounds with the champ and see if they can do any better.
Don't miss it. KFC Flavor Shots deal at 80 pesos long. 2 to 5 p.m.
Plan B sa buhay, meron sa BDO Life. Just visit any BDO branch. Customizable and affordable. Ang family ko, protektado. It's the easiest.
Sana all, yung family ko di na-protect. Namatay.
Some people walk into a room and speak with such confidence that everyone listens. Their words are clear. Their thoughts are deep. They explain things so simply, yet so powerfully. They understand quickly. They think before they speak. And when they do speak, their voice carries weight. What sets them apart? It's not a fancy degree. It's not expensive coaching. It's not just talent. It's a habit. A quiet habit. A habit called reading. Yes, reading. The one thing that looks small on the outside, but builds greatness on the inside.
Bye, guys!
It's not just a school activity.
Good night!
It's not just about passing exams or finishing homework. It's much more than that. Reading
One
is
na.
a secret door.
I need to rest na talaga.
Opens to new worlds, new
Sorry.
ideas, and new parts of yourself. It lets you
Papatulong pa sana ako mag-guys ng
see people you've never
mga
seen.
shades ko kasama kayo, kaso hindi nyo naman ako matutulungan kasi nakaupo lang kayo dyan, nakahiga.
All without leaving
So,
your
bye-bye for today's, guys.
just give you stories.
Babawi ako sa inyo, okay? I love you all.
Give you words when you can't find your own.
Aray!
You didn't know you had. Through reading, your mind gets sharper. Your language
Bye-bye. Bye, Leslie. Di mo nakita si RZ, kawawa ka naman.
how to listen and how to grow. And suddenly, you're not just reading sentences. You're building a better version of yourself, page by page.
Sinong client mo, Pat? Call center ka?
It doesn't show off.
Wala naman akong client.
It changes everything. Your confidence grows. Your focus improves. Your heart becomes more open. That's the beauty of reading. Anyone can do it.
Bye.
Anywhere. Anytime. It doesn't cost much.
Bye, guys. It's... It's rainy season. Bye. Sana masaya yung ano nyo, tag-ulan.
Because people who read,
Sarap matulog ng malamig.
they learn how to change. And maybe, just maybe, they learn how to change themselves too. Let's open that door.
Ganda ng nails ko.
Reading grows your mind. Reading is like exercise, but for your brain. Just like
Bye, guys.
weights makes your muscles stronger.
Good night.
Every time you read, your brain gets a little more active.
Huwag niyo muna screen record yung mukha ko. Ang pangit ko kasi naglagay na ako ng ganito.
Across new words you've never seen before.
Nag-faint. Mag-faint pa ako na madaming fainting.
Your vocabulary slowly grows, and so does your ability to
Magpe-paint pa ako, guys, and I'm just gonna watch.
teach you facts,
Kailangan ko ng learning system sa ano ko. And na.
how to question,
Bye-bye.
how to imagine. Let's say you read
Magpe-paint pa ako!
you're just following the plot, but without even realizing it,
Paint yung gagawin ko. Bye-bye.
it's connecting ideas, remembering
Ano-anong iniisip nyo?
patterns, and imagining scenes.
Bigyan kita cheap paint. Bigay mo sa baby mo. Dali niya sa school.
Creativity, all at the
Bye-bye na.
The more you read, the better your memory becomes. You start remembering
Pengi isa yung parang palabo ka. Ayup talaga.
details,
Bye-bye. Okay na, nak. Kanina pa hinihintay ng client mo.
jumping from one thing to another, like on social media.
Huwag ko yung gagawa ng gawa-gawa ng kwento, And just gonna faint. Bye-bye. Bye-bye na! Boba na kasi kayo. Pengi sub. Wala nga sa akin lahat ng sub. Ba't sa akin kayo naghahanap? Mga unseen photo lahat nakita nyo na sa akin. Walang matatago. Huwag kayo sa akin mangingi. Bye-bye. Nahiya na ako sa inyo. Hinugasan mo na talaga yung brush. Kasi gagamitin ko ulit. Okay na, bye-bye na. Bye-bye!
So he enjoys this, the famous joke. You prejudice! Yeah, so it's like, after all the packaging, when you see...
Sana ano na lang ako nung naging astronaut.
The tip is right in the center, in the middle of it.
Sana naging astronaut na lang ako. Or, sana ano na lang ako. Naging doctor. Bye-bye na nga. Bumaba na kasi kayo lahat. Ba't ano ba kasing hinihintay nyo? Kayo ang bumaba? Ako ang bababa? Sino ba kayo?
Oh my God, my Shayla.
Bye-bye! Live ako mamaya. Ay, bukas na lang. Okay? Bukas. Okay?